It was stored for about 10 years.
It's gonna be hard to get from. Yeah, I know. I use work. Basically, I'm getting more trained along the way. And I'm trying not to
Marianne, brought it back to
It was exposed to the elements a lot, so everything works. It works. Like the light, we're trying to figure out the strobes were working earlier.
in the middle. If you want to check out the toilet, you can also check this out behind the door. There's a little screen right here. Brake system.
All right.
Howdy, what's your name?
Welcome aboard the ALP-44.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. Live cleaning. Live cleaning.
Yeah.
I remember.
It's still dirty.
Still.
I've seen more stress.
Yeah. Are you an engineer or something?
Oh no.
This,
I just go to a lot of museums.
This is actually Windows 3.1. So that goes to show how old this thing
Getting
is.
dated a little bit.
So we can't really run like Windows like 10 or 11 on this. Even if we...
One of the things I've seen in this world that have toilets but no place to actually wash your hands is way too hot.
You would have to 7 circuit breaker. That's how we turn it on.
What's the phone do?
That just allows.
What we're going to go over now
Yeah.
is the cab.
Pretty much it for the.
And
there's a
F-
GP40FH.
Yeah. This is the training video for the for this type of
How did
locomotive.
you guys get that?
It's on YouTube. Someone uploaded it.
The engineer would need
But,
the intelligent display unit.
just have it playing on loop in
Real-time
here.
information
Pretty
to
cool.
the engineer of the computer systems that actually control the systems of this particular locomotive.
You guys can head on down through this way.
Thank you.
Also, you have a trail button.
This is pretty much the same thing as the other end, except for the ATC box. Those are the main differences between the two cabs. Both essentially have the same function. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Resets in locomotive cab 4420 to 4431 series
Yeah,
M.
it's on YouTube. It's an interesting
Check for
video.
catenation.
Well, that's what I mean.
Was it stolen?
Nah, transit. Well, no. In there, the little ones, timekeeping ones.